Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings, and I know you all must be happy seeing the Kalima cards again. So let's see what's in store today. Okay, two cards have come on its own, so I guess we will just go with these two. Okay, as usual, she has given three cards today. Okay, the first one is the Karma of Kali. This is, I think, first time these cards have come, and it has come though the numbers are together, but the sequencing is a little different. Then has come the Dharma of Kali, and then has come the Moksha of Kali. If you see this itself, one thing, it's a beautiful combo. Second thing, when I'm seeing this, it is as if today's card is reminding us of what is our duties towards our personal life, our career life, our duties or our responsibilities, and how we fulfill everything and how we attain towards our moksha. But overall, I would suggest, because the lotus is very prominent today, if you get a lotus in your nearby your temples or nearby your house, then do pick a lotus and offer it to Ma Kali. Or if there's a Kali Mata temple near you, then do go there today, because some beautiful message is what she's trying to give. So maybe you can go to her temple, offer her the lotus, and then you can come back, because today's color is beautiful. And I would also suggest wear purple today. I don't feel the pink, I feel you should wear purple today, so wear purple color today. And let's see what is coming in the readings. So let's start with the Karma of Kali. So now this is about how we are always behind pleasures of life, and how we start becoming selfish. So maybe Kalima is telling that we have been given beautiful gifts in life, we have been given all the happiness and all the pleasures, but we need to know how much we should use and to what extent we should use without harming anyone, without hurting anyone. Because end of the day, though it is the pleasures that everyone needs, it is also that we should have the courage to follow our inner calling, and we should have the courage to follow the inner calling in such a way that we don't hurt others. At the same time, we do our own dharma karam. When we say dharma karam, our duties. So maybe she is saying, work on your intuitions, follow your heart. At the same time, do what is truthful today, do what is good, do what is truthful. Because here, if you see, you will find the dark side and the bright side. So now it is in our hands whether we take the dark side or we work on the bright side of life, and then we attain moksha, or we are happy that we have done the right thing. Now coming to this moksha, though you might feel that by taking the right decision, by doing the right things, you are suffering, you are having a very bad time. But end of the day, when the sufferings end, then spirituality begins. Then your alignment, your enlightenment, your balancing of the chakras, everything starts beginning, because this period of suffering is just temporary, and once this goes, you are all set to work towards a beautiful tomorrow. So today, chant 108 times Jai Ma Kali and start your day. And today, as I said, wear the color purple. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.